Okay. Hello everyone, I am Devrishi Verma. I am here to present my AWS project called FlameMyGame, which was done during a one credit course offered at J.K. Lakshmi University on Amazon Web Services. So the problem statement is the colleges has way too many dudes and not enough chances. The male to female ratio is already against you, and to make things worse, most guys suck at texting. Dry hey messages, cringe pickup lines, long paragraphs that get ignored. Yeah, it's a disaster. So my app, Claim My Game, is here to roast your terrible text and fix them before you get ghosted. How does it work? You upload a screenshot of a chat or type your message. The AI roasts your text so you know exactly what went wrong. AI rewrites it into something smooth, confident, and actually worth a reply. Why do you need this? The ratio is bad, you can't afford to fumble. Your texts are getting left on red. A good message can make or break your chances. Play My Game makes sure you don't embarrass yourself in the DMs because first impression matters and yours suck. A little bit behind the scenes about the architecture. The front end is based on Streamlit. The back end has Google Gemini AI with AWS Lambda. Storage is done on AWS S3. The OCR processing is done from AWS Recognition, and data retrieval is as the data of the history of the chat is stored in JSON files in the S3 bucket. So how does it happen? The user interacts with the Streamlit app, and the user either uploads a screenshot or a text. If there is a screenshot, it went to AWS OCR processing. If it's a direct text, it goes directly to the Google Gemini AI. If it's a screenshot after going through the recognition, we get the extracted text in the JSON format. It goes to the Google Gemini AI, and then the Google Gemini AI, based on some prompts, create a roast and res response, which is saved to AWS S3 bucket in form of JSON file and is displayed to the user. If it's as it is saved on the S3 bucket on the chat history JSON file, it gets presented on the Streamlit app. Thank you. Now let's go through a demo. So uh, here I am hosting my app on server port 8501, and I'm using the Cloudflare server tunnel, the Cloudflare tunnel for creating a URL. So let's go through it. Yeah. So here is Play My Game. A user can either upload a screenshot or enter a text. So, and this is the chat history you can check. Like the last one was, how are you? Can I see your pose? This message is like a bad informatical, awkward, poorly structured, and trying to sell something I definitely don't want. You went from zero to show me your lady back faster than a grandma on a scooter at the grocery store. Hey yourself, my purse is a bit shy, but maybe you can convince it to come out with a charming introduction. So this is a roast, and this is a smooth reply. So let me first upload a screenshot, or let me first do the text. So let me say, hello, good evening, uh, beautiful. Okay, it's running. This is a reply. Hello, good evening, beautiful. Did you accidentally send to a time traveler from 1998? Also, who is this beautiful you speak of? Grandma, my goldfish. Throw a name there, Captain Children. Good evening yourself, and who might this beautiful person be? So this is a roast. This is a reply. Let me upload a screenshot I saved. So where had I? Yeah, this is a sample screenshot. So if I show you this sample screenshot before, uh, mm, yeah. Hi, OMG, your responses are so fast. Slow down. I can't keep up. So if I open this and I click on the roast button, yeah, uh, as it is an OCR based response, so it extracts all the text. So it has some issues, but did you accidentally paste the same message from a ancient flip phone twice, or are you trying to communicate in Morse code with typos? Blink twice if you need help. Also, its responses I won't accept you to keep up. Wow, you are right. I'm usually not this quick. Maybe you are just that interesting. Tell you what, why don't you keep trying? Try keeping up with me in person. And this everything is stored in the chat history. So this is the message I sent previously, and it's stored here. At the same time, this is the current message, will also get stored here. So let us go through the code base quickly. Yeah, okay. This is the main code base. Here you enter your API key, S3 client and initialize the S3 client and lambda, your bucket name, S3 bucket name, lambda function, and the JSON format chat history. You write your title and you write the sub information about the app. You set the upload file. You get the user input. And in the button, if the user clicks on the button, if it's an upload file, means if it's a screenshot, we get the image key, we upload it in the S3 bucket. This triggers a lambda response. It's sent lambda, the response of the lambda function gets uh, returned here. So let me go through the lambda function. This is the lambda function. It initializes the recognition client using Boto3, the bucket name, the image key, and this is the response of the recognition. It gets the extracted text and it returns the extracted text. If it's an exception, it returns the 500 status code error. Okay. If there is no text extracted, it said fail to extract text, send some other image. Else, user input, if the extracted text is saved in the user input. Okay. So now here I've initialized the model. I'm using Gemini 1.5 Pro 001. This is the prompt. And so the responses get stored in this format, the roast and this. And here is this message, user input is sent. So yeah, the model response gets stored in this variable and it gets split into roast and ris. And here we write it up and show it to the user. In the chat history, the responses are stored in the S3 bucket and we load the JSON file. This is the chat history key on the bucket. And yeah, and then we display this message here. Okay. Uh, Let me show the S3 bucket. This is the rows OCR bucket, chat history. If I download it, open it on Notepad. Yeah. So this is the chat history. This is a text which I just sent, and this is a screenshot I just uploaded. Uh, and this is the image we just sent and uploaded on the Streamlit app. So that's it, guys. That was Flame Your Game, an app made by Devrishi Sharma for the AWS project. Thank you.